Hello, my name's Nicola Firmston and I'm a solicitor in Kerseys family team. I'm going to talk to you today about cloud video platform. If you've got a family court hearing during the coronavirus pandemic, the chances are that it won't take place in a court building, as the court is only able to offer access to the court building in exceptional circumstances. You may have been told that your hearing is going to be on the telephone or via cloud video platform, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about cloud video platform. There'll be another video about telephone hearings. So what is cloud video platform, or CVP? It's an internet-based video meeting service, and it's a bit like Skype or Zoom. If we've told you you've got a cloud video platform hearing coming up, we'll have told you the date and time, and we would ask you please to check in advance that your home technology can cope with cloud video platform. There's nothing worse than trying to get access to the hearing on the day and finding that your technology doesn't support cloud video platform. That will be very stressful for you. So we'd like you to avoid that by doing a check in advance that your technology works. So cloud video platform is accessible through an internet browser that can be on your mobile or tablet. There's various browsers that are available, but the one we know doesn't work is Internet Explorer. So if you haven't got a suitable browser, so for example your technology only has Internet Explorer, you can access the hearing through cloud video platform using Microsoft Teams or Skype, including Skype for Business. You'll need to make sure that your technology has a microphone and a camera and that both work. So it's very important to do these checks in advance to troubleshoot any problems. There is a help desk at the court and they are able to help you with any problems that arise. So it's important to be able to ring them in advance if there are problems. If you want to know more about cloud video platform, and we would urge you to find out more about it, then the government has a website page on gov.uk to cover the use of cloud video platform, and there's some really good tutorials on that web page. We'd urge you to have a look at that web page in advance of the day of the hearing, and they've got some really helpful tutorials on there. There's also the telephone number for the help desk if you have run into difficulty. On the day of the hearing, you need to make sure you're in a comfortable private place. Please don't do the hearing from a coffee shop. Not that we're allowed to go to coffee shops much of the time at the moment, but do make sure you're in your own home. Make sure you're not disturbed, and in particular that your children can't hear what is being said. You need to not have anybody else in the same room as you, and it is illegal to record hearings, so please don't do that. During the hearing, you'll be asked to introduce yourself, and then your solicitor or barrister will speak for you and present your case, although you might be required to speak during cross-examination. The solicitor or barrister for the other side might also want to ask you questions. If you haven't got a solicitor or barrister, you will be invited by the judge to present your case yourself. The judge might give judgment on that day or just directions, in which case another hearing date will be listed for the judge to give judgment. We hope that your hearing goes well. After the hearing, your solicitor or barrister will want to debrief with you, and they will have spoken to you in advance of the hearing as well, and may communicate with you during the hearing by some form of technology such as WhatsApp or text message or private chat during the hearing. Thank you very much. If you have any further questions about cloud video platform, please do get in touch with me.